Okay, so we're just gonna roll some eggs. Like I said, the Cadbury ones are awesome, or you can get jelly beans, whatever you want. But I don't have those. It's a little early for those. So I've got some different color fondants, and I'm just gonna put my hand, just do like a little teardrop shape. So hands in a V and just kind of roll back and forth a little bit. Do another one here. Roll, and then just back and forth. See, just a little bit, and there you have it. And then we're going to do just elongated teardrops for some carrots to get some other color in the back there also. So roll your ball. And this one I put 2 fingers over the side. That way it gets to be a little bit longer. And then I'll take a toothpick and I'll press in, da-da-da, like so. And then we've got our little carrots. So we're just going to add a little bit of greenery back here. And that's also going to kind of help them stay in. So if you actually squeeze and kind of pull some little areas out, then we can go ahead and put some of the bigger ones in there first. What I want to do here, no tip again, just squeeze and pull, like that. And then maybe add a little carrot here and there. And then on the end of the carrot, let's just squeeze and pull a couple little ends of the carrot out. And then back here, we need to fill this up. She's got a lot of eggs to deliver. Get a carrot in there. I was going to put it up the other way. Bummer. There we go. There's one the other way. And let's get another green one up here. Maybe another yellow one. No, I want another pink one. Whoops. Okay, and then to make sure they stay, oops, get rid of that one. Since I have an extra one and I have green on that, I don't have to use it. Let me just do this. Put a little bit in here and now it'll stick instead of rolling around on me. Okay, then this was the end of the carrot, so pull out a couple times here. And then I need to just kind of fill in these areas, squeeze, pull up. And it looks cute too if you have some coming out from down here, kind of hanging down. He is loaded up. Okay, I think we got enough there. Just a few little details here. I'm going to go ahead and take this yellow and make some headlights. So do a ball, and then I'm just going to press it right there in the front. And I think that one's a little bigger, so let me take that off. So I guess we'll do pink. I really want to do blue and not orange, so take some pink, roll it into a ball, and then roll back and forth this way. We want more of a cord, so roll from the center out, 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 like so, and it's just going to lay on the ground there. So you just press that in and curve it around the side a little bit. Like so. Do a little door handle, so we'll make that pink also. Not sticking, so I need to roll a little bit more, or I may need to add a little bit of water. Yep, sticking to my finger, not to the cake. So a tiny bit of water right in here, whoops, right in this area right here.